Hello guys. So today we'll discuss about with the advanced SQL interview question. So the question is, so we need to discuss about with the top three products by sales or top three employees by salaries within category or department. So first we had to create the table, one table. So here I have created as the employee table and inserting some records. Let's see the table. Select star from EMP. So this is the table I consider as employee ID, employee name, department ID, salary, manager ID, employee age. Now someone will ask the interview. The question is top two highest salaried employee. Top two highest salaried employee is select star from EMP order by salary DESC. So this is the salary will give as in the descending order. Okay. Now we want only the top two. So I will give as here top two. So if I execute this, top two only will give. Okay. But someone will ask the question like based on the department. So for example, in department 100, top two employees. Department 200, top two employees. Department 300, top two employees. Then in that case, so this query will not work. So for example, if I taken as order by department, let's consider as duplicate the same query. Here I will give as department ID, comma salary. If I remove the top, if you look into this, employee ID, employee name, department ID, salary. So if you look at the salary wise descending order, so in top department ID 4 records 100. So top two is 15,000 and 10,000. These top two. So like this, we'll give as select star from EMP. So here we'll give as comma row number. In this case, we will use as row number function over partition by department ID order by salary DESC as RN. Okay. Select row number or partition by department ID RN. So if we execute this, RN will give as row number. Now I will do as above subquery select star from on the brace. Here this one will a where Rn less than or equals to 2. If I do this, So I'll get the only each department top 2 employees. Okay. For example, in case salary is to be same for department ID 200, the salaries are same. So in this case, we will get the two different ranks. If we want here, we need uh, same rank or different rank. So that will clarify in the interview. If we want, in this case, for example, let's copy this one as is. We'll go with dense rank. Dense rank or partition by RN dense. So now if I look this, you'll see this one. So here in this case, we are getting 1 dense rank. Okay. So this way we will solve with the top 2, top 3, whatever them. For example, if I consider as top 3, then similarly, I will get the top 3. 1, 2, 3. So if the number is to be same, if the salary is to be same, for example, in this case, so dense rank will give us 2, 2. Okay. Thank you.